Hi, I'm Gerald, and right behind me is my 1968 Chevrolet Camaro that Custom Classics put together for me in Island Lake, Illinois. I researched Camaros and I saw when the 67s had came out, and then I just kept reading about them. In the 68s, it was like something about the 68 just made me want a 68. I always liked them, but I think in the last maybe 2 to 3 years is when I really decided that I'm gonna give me a classic one day, and time was right for me to get it last October at the CAMARO auction in Schaumburg, Illinois. And I looked around and I was gonna I say, as long as it's running, I'm gonna buy it. And I was gonna have it pieced together, somebody do the interior, someone do the engine work, someone paint it. And I came across Custom Classics, and I'm like, it's a one-stop shop. It was a no-brainer. I wanted a convertible, and I wanted a manual shift, and I wanted it red. And this car just happened to be red with black interior, but I knew the top was white and I was gonna have the interior done white. So I just looked at a few cars and showed Brian some pictures, and he said he can do it, and I'll be doggone, it's done. It's really an investment if you ask me. I got, like I said, 4 children, 4 grandboys, they all grown. I told them when I die, you guys can't sell this car. I won't drive it too much. Probably gonna take it home today, put it in the garage, and it looked like Friday or Saturday, we're supposed to get maybe 75, 80 degrees. I may drive it, and then I'll probably park it for the rest of the year till next summer. I actually know a few people restoring some cars right now. They're sitting in the garage, been sitting there a few years, and oh, we just did the brakes, you know, we just did this, we just did that. And I would just say that anyone want to restore a classic car and you want it done right, bring it to Custom Classics in Island Lake, Illinois. You will have no regrets.